I may put this
We're out here
for low in a minute.
in the Jeep on a trip, doing some off-roading.
Like when you showed them the map on the screen.
This is where we're going to Gemini Bridges. Check out this.
In Utah.
In Moab.
Moab, Utah.
There she goes.
Whoa, this is cool, isn't it?
It's a lot better when you get off the roads. Like that right here.
Whoa.
There's some switchbacks right here.
Little switchbacks. Right here on the side of the mountain. Woo, check out these rocks right here.
Come around the corner.
Right.
Just think if you're on that road down there, you could be watching this.
It's high up.
I should have put it more low.
Ooh, look at that big rock, Lex.
Okay, so let's put this in forward.
Side of a cliff.
Whoa.
No, don't let Daddy look. Tell him you gotta keep his eyes on the
I want to look off
road.
of the edge too.
Don't be looking off to the
I'm
edge.
not even calling you.
Took a little pit stop, rearranged some things out here on this cool trail by ourselves. How rocky is it, Lexi, when we're riding? It's cool though.
Cool license plate. I like it. And then let's go up the rock. We've got the bald eagle. We've got the bald eagle over here.
It's called Goony Bird.
Goony bird.
Goony Bird Rock.
But I want to call it the bald eagle. Here we are, and we just found a windmill, and there's a very long pipe. And yeah.
You feel good?
I don't know. Can I stay out and film what's going down?
Yeah. It's kind of like.
Here he comes. Ooh, look at the tire going down.
Yeah. It's a drop. Actually, I think you're supposed to be this way, so.
Oh my gosh.
You're fine. No. came up and down on this one. Lex.
We've got a drop right there. And we've got a little tunnel. It's a big rock. And he's gonna come through. Tell him.
It's really steep right here. It's really steep, so you need to come this way.
Oh gosh. No.
Steep right there.
Huh?
I'm gonna take a picture and show you. Alright, Stetson. You're up.
Oh my gosh.
Now turn this way some with that tire. Slow, slow. Slow, slow with the back tire. You're good.
Oh my gosh.
You're good, babe. You're good. You need to turn right some. Turn left towards me. Turn towards me. Straighten it out. You got it.
So we just pulled up to this weird place where it's like a cave inside of a mountain. Well, a house and a cave inside of a mountain.
It wasn't very big, but look, they had a place for a heater and a stove.
There's a couch. And there used to be a kitchen here. This is weird. Ew.
Lexi, let me get.
Don't sit on it.
I'm not.
Go there and let me get a picture of this guy. That'd be funny. Look at that.
Ooh.
What do y'all think?
Infested with bugs.
That might be
They're all
fleas.
flying everywhere.
There might be fleas.
Very good point.
And there's also a window.
Why do they have two sections?
So, let's see.
That's what I'm kind of wondering.
I'm going home. And it
They got paint in there. They were going to paint it.
stinks in here.
Yeah.
That's nasty.
That's just crazy. Somebody actually tried to live here.
What did they blast at? What did they do?
Maybe.
So we just pulled up to this other weird place. And then,
Look at the bottom of the bush. See that little hole?
yeah,
That's like a little gopher live.
there's little holes.
So your picture.
A small house.
Now it is.
Yeah. They broke it
See.
down. Somebody did.
Oh, that might have been.
Yuck. Hey.
Watch out, let's go in first. Is it big?
Yeah, pretty big.
There's a real grill and a freezer in here.
Was it a home or not? Oh, it was. There's a grill.
Dude, a bunch of turtlets.
There's chairs. I'm surprised people haven't stolen this stuff. Look, Daddy.
Horse rider. I'm just trying to see what kind of people they were. You can tell.
Pipes, barbed wire.
Western horsemen, a bunch of horse stuff.
I can hear buzzing.
Huh?
I can hear buzzing.
2013 calendar. I mean, somebody might have been here in 2013. Bunch of horses.
It's a foreign calendar.
You love horses.
Who owns this stuff?
What is
now?
this?
I'm trying to see their
Is this a mouse trap? That's a mouse trap.
Yeah.
Where? Oh, sure is. Right, almost.
Look, there's a Christmas tree holder.
Where?
Right in front of you.
I don't
There's
see
an
it.
Amazon box.
school magazines. So they probably did not have any TV, so they had to read stuff. Moab Sun News. What's the year? See, Lexi, by telling what year it is, you can see how long they were out here. Well,
Is it 21?
somebody was living here down the road the other day. Somebody must have really been trying to live in here, Lexi. Here's another one, March 2021. This box must be newer stuff. Maybe that somebody want to move in here for a little while.
Well, no wonder no one's stolen these chairs or barbed wire or
Yeah, someone
anything.
maybe kicked them out. You know? Wait, what's this one?
It's actually cool in here.
Oh yeah, in the rock.
What is that?
What this is?
Dude, you might find a dead body in there.
There's nothing in there. Oh, but it stinked. Oh my god.
If I have
This one's getting lived in. Or it's being lived in.
well, no, it's not being lived in, but it could be because look, there's a stove.
It stinks in here. Oh, there's food in here.
Let's back up. Let me look
There
first
is. I
before you
think
come
some
in.
people have been living in it.
Yeah, let me look in here because there's a rock trap here. Underwear. Dang, you're right, guys. There's food in here. You see how these stoves work, Lexi?
Yeah.
That'd be
Is
better.
it like a bed?
No, let's maybe better. Those rat traps look kind of new. There's underwear for you. But see how they did the heaters, the stove?
Food, bed, a chair.
I can't believe people still live in there.
That's nasty. It stinks in there. Horseshoes.
Chickens in here. I'm wondering if they got these exhaust vents. I wonder if they. I don't know what they did. Maybe they kept things warm. Maybe they brought horses in here. All this is horse feed. That's a toilet. So they probably have a bucket. All right, Lex, crazy.
Careful.
We're in a cave. Well, we found a cave. I got up here in the cave. And I'm gonna try and get up here. Hello.
Hey!
We're in this cave. Some graffiti.
This is their
And-
spot.
Yeah.
Surprised they're not here right now.
Say hi, Daddy.
Hello.
Alright, go there and take a picture.
Check out Brian Muller's account. Oh, wait.